In this video, I am going to show you how to create a racing game in Unity. We'll be using Unity's standard assets, which includes a ready-made car controller. Now keep in mind, this package is actually deprecated, but I will provide a download link in the description for you to use it. First, navigate to the Standard Assets folder, go to Vehicle, Car, Prefabs, and here you will find Car Controller Prefab. Since we are going to have an AI car in this game, we will be using the car waypoint based prefab. Simply drag and drop the prefab into the hierarchy. Next, we will replace the default car with a custom car model that I have created. I will also include a download link for this car model in the description. So, drag and drop the car model to replace the default car. Then, we need to remove the previous car and unpack the prefab completely. Then, we need to adjust wheel colliders. Select each wheel collider and adjust its position, especially along the x-axis. Also, make sure to adjust the radius of the colliders so they match the size of the car wheels. Now assign the wheel meshes in the car controller script. After that, we need to adjust the car collider. We want the car collider to match the size and shape of the custom car model. Next, we need to create waypoints for the AI car to follow. Start by creating a new game object in the scene, which we will call waypoint. In this waypoint game object, create a new point and assign an icon so it's visible in the scene view. Then duplicate these points to form a path for the car to follow. Make sure to rename each point in order. Then we need to assign the waypoint path to the car. Select the waypoint game object and add waypoint circuit script to it. Then click Assign to draw the path between the points. Finally, connect the waypoints to the car. Select the car, scroll down to the waypoint progress tracker in the inspector, and assign the waypoint to the circuit field. Now, if we hit play, the car should follow the waypoint path we have created. And that's it. We have set up our AI car to follow a waypoint path. In next part, we will continue building our racing game.